Branch of psychology. Psychology is a broad field with various branches or subfields that focus on different aspects of human behavior, cognition, and mental processes. Here are some of the major branches of psychology. Clinical psychology. This branch focuses on the assessment, diagnosis, and treatment of mental disorders and psychological issues. Clinical psychologists often work in therapy settings, hospitals, or private practice. Cognitive psychology. Cognitive psychology explores mental processes such as perception, attention, memory, language, problem-solving, and decision-making. It examines how people acquire, process, and store information and how they use it to understand and interact with the world. Developmental psychology. Developmental psychology studies the psychological changes and processes that occur throughout a person's lifespan, from infancy to old age. It explores how individuals develop physically, cognitively, emotionally, and socially. Social psychology. Social psychology examines how individuals' thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are influenced by the presence of others. It explores topics such as social perception, attitudes, prejudice, conformity, group dynamics, and interpersonal relationships. Educational psychology. Educational psychology focuses on studying how individuals learn and develop in educational settings. It explores topics such as learning theories, motivation, instructional methods, assessment, and the psychology of teaching. Industrial, organizational psychology. This branch applies psychological principles and research to understand behavior in the workplace. It examines topics such as employee motivation, job satisfaction, leadership, organizational culture, and group dynamics. Forensic psychology. Forensic psychology applies psychological principles to legal and criminal justice systems. Forensic psychologists may assess individuals involved in legal cases, provide expert testimony, conduct research on topics relevant to the legal field, or work with law enforcement agencies. Health psychology. Health psychology focuses on the relationship between psychological factors and physical health. It explores how behaviors, attitudes, and emotions impact health, illness, and healthcare outcomes. Neuropsychology. Neuropsychology investigates the relationship between the brain and behavior. It explores how brain injuries, diseases, and abnormalities affect cognitive functions, emotions, and behavior. Positive psychology. Positive psychology emphasizes the study of factors that contribute to human well-being, happiness, and flourishing. It explores topics such as positive emotions, character strengths, resilience, and personal growth. These are just a few examples of the branches of psychology, and there are other specialized areas as well. Many psychologists integrate knowledge and techniques from multiple branches in their work, and interdisciplinary approaches are common in the field.